show you how to install Dart in Windows 10 machine. For that, we will first see whether Dart is installed or not. For that, search for cmd and open command prompt. Run this as an administrator and type dot space dash dash version. You can see this showing Dart is not recognized as an internal or external command, so we have not installed it. For that, go to any search engine and type dot install. You will get this website dev. Click on it. Here you can see here install .sdk, and you can see here this is showing downloading the SDK as a zip file. So click on it. Here you will get different channels like stable channel, beta channel. You can see here stable channel. Click on the .sdk for Windows 64-bit architecture. So you can click based on your architecture. Click on dot. You can see it says started downloading, but I have already downloaded it. You can see here after downloading this you will get this zip file. Right click and extract it here, and you will get this folder .sdk -sdk. So you can copy it and place wherever you want. It's good to place it in C drive because all the programs are installed in this folder. So copy and paste it here. After pasting it here, now double click on it and you get this folder bin. Copy this. No, you have to copy this path. Click on here, copy the path and go to this PC. Right click here and you will get properties, then advanced system settings, environment variables. Double click on path, you will get this new. Click on it here and paste it here. Click on OK. Save it. Now let us try to see if it is installed or not. For that, type cmd run as administrator dot space dash dash version. Okay, now you can see .sdk version stable is installed on machine.